Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do the slow motion video on the Canon M50. Reason why I'm making this video is because when I first got the Canon M50, I didn't know how to do a slow motion video. I was kind of confused on how to do it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So first off, you're going to turn on your camera and put it onto video mode. So you're just going to rotate this dial until you get into the movie mode. And once you're in there, you're going to hit menu right here. And then you're going to go all the way to the red menu right here, to the first menu of the red ones. So you're going to go down to movie recording quality. And right here where it says high frame rate, you're going to enable that. So hit enable. Then just a note, when it's in the high frame rate, 120 frames, it goes down to 720p. And you lose a bunch of other features like the autofocus, digital image stabilization, and being able to record audio. So that's what you're losing when you're filming in 120 frames. You hit enable, and then you're pretty much ready to go. So like that. So I'll demonstrate real quick. I'll record it and let's see how it turns out. There you go. So we're gonna try it out. So as you can see from the clip, it's actually really slow motion. So that's what you can get with the 120 frames on top of the Canon M50. But yeah, that's a demonstration. Guys, that's how you do the slow motion video on the Canon M50. That small little demonstration wasn't enough, so I thought I'll just put all these clips together and make a little montage of the 120 frames. We took this at downtown San Antonio and a couple of our clips on our trip to Florida. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the clips that I put together. I put a little bit of music so it's not a little boring. But yeah, enjoy that little montage I made. So, and I'll see you guys next time.